Hi guys, it's Isabella here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications and give us a huge thumbs up. Today you guys, we're going to be opening a toy and it's called Pikmi Pop Flip, I think it's called, or maybe, yeah, Pikmi Pop Flip. And it's really cool. Oops, I haven't even opened any of these before. And these are really new to me. And these are the other ones that you can collect down here. So basically, let's just open these and see who we get. This is Paul here. I can't. Oh. This thing is really struggling. I've watched these on YouTube and I do not know how they can open these so quick. There we go. Okay, now I'm quite stuck by typing it. If not, I might ask my uncle for help. So guys, we're back. My uncle just helped me and it smells so good. I can smell it from here. So he just helped me opening it. And now it's still even more harder to open. The scissors again. I don't want to cut the fur because it's really cute. And it smells so nice. Be careful when you're not alone with scissors, but yeah, you still have to be careful if you're alone. I'm not alone. My uncle's filming and my auntie's doing some work since we're not allowed to go in and out. So this is like, looks easy to open but it's tougher than it looks. I am still struggling. Oh, there we go. It's in the bag. Okay, don't need that. Okay, it comes in this. So all we have to do is straight flip it. I haven't even opened any of these. Oh, it's a cute little puppy. Oh, what's this? Look guys, this is what I got. It's so cute. This is what I got. And it came with this little bag. And what could be inside? Again, I need the scissors. This is so tough to open. Oh, I just cut it open. Oh, what does it mean? Okay. Oh, little bracelet. Oh, cute. You're so very cool. I don't know what that says. Anything stuck in there? Nope. Can this thing open? Okay guys, we came back and I think this thing goes around its neck. And I can't even, figure out what this says. And I do not know how to get that, but okay. I'll put that there. Again, I'll show you who I got. It's literally so cute. It smells so good. I'm going to see who we got. It's really cute and it looks like... At first I thought we had this one, but we don't. Came back from the break and it's around my wrist, if you can see that, and I figure out what it says, and it says you're so very popular. Instead of saying berry, you're saying berry, and I can smell this thing all day. It smells really nice, and it also, speaking of berries, it smells like berries. So I hope you enjoyed this video and give us a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn on notifications. See you guys later. Bye.